Welcome to this video. In this video, I will share with you 5 tips that you can utilize from now to write a great personal statement. Hi, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Farzana Hoque. I'm an assistant professor of medicine currently practicing in US. Many of you may be currently preparing for ERAS application or may be thinking to prepare for ERAS application. And I can tell you, personal statement is one of the important things that you need a lot of time, preparation, planning, and dedication. So I will share with you these 5 tips that you can utilize to write and wonderful personal statement. One thing I would like to share at first that many people will tell you that do not worry about personal statement. They do not read it, which is absolutely wrong information. I'm taking interview for both US and international medical graduates for internal medicine residency over the last many years. And for every candidate, when I review their application, I must take a look at their personal statement. I may not read every line, every word. However, I must take my time to overview the personal statement along with the other part of ERAS application. So which things you can do that when an interviewer like me is reviewing your application, reviewing your personal statement, you will be able to draw their attention and they will read your personal statement further and they will be curious to go to the finish line of your personal statement. Number 1, always keep your personal statement within 1 page. Some people may tell you 2 pages will be fine. I will highly recommend you from my experience previously as candidate and then now as interviewer that nobody has time to read the personal statement more than 1 page. Imagine if you were a residency candidate interviewer and you have to go through a personal statement of around at least 500 candidates. Will you have time to read 2 pages? It will double your work. So keep your personal statement always 1 page. I cannot stress enough how much important it is. Your goal should be keep your personal statement within 1 page and give your 100% focus to it rather than making it long so that nobody is reading it. Second tips will be always start early. It takes time to write the personal statement, particularly if you are an international medical graduates like me whose native language is not English. So it can take time for an international medical graduate. I'm not undervaluing your English skill. However, at the same time, I'm stressing the real fact that writing an excellent personal statement takes time. So be prepared to give that time, attention, and energy. The third tips will be very important. Personal statement is an excellent opportunity to share any red flag in your CV or in your exam score. For example, if you have any attempts in your USMLE exams or if you got less score, you cannot address it. You cannot tell that what happened, what did you learn, and how did you overcome that hardship. So personal statement is the wonderful place to share with your program director, your interviewer, that what truly happened. Why did you get this low score or attempt? Always remember that when you are writing your red flags, you're describing your red flags in the personal statement, your goal is not venting. Your goal is not only presenting lame excuses. Your goal is to share with them, okay, I had this mistake. However, what did I do to overcome it? For example, you may say that, okay, I have low score in CK. However, I took extra initiative to sit for step 3 and I have good scores in step 3. Not only red flag, if you have any excellent accomplishment, for example, you got very good score in one step, you did hands-on externship in a big university program, maybe for 1 month, or you are now a part of a big research group, maybe volunteer, you were only data reviewing, however, you are a part of a big research group. Personal statement is also a wonderful place to highlight your accomplishments and contributions. So utilize the personal statement. I can tell you it will help you to get a good number of interviews. And when during the interview, the interviewer will review your personal statement, they will also become curious about you and maybe they can ask you many questions from the personal statement. For example, when I take interview for many candidates, I may ask some questions from their personal statement. So utilize this. This is a wonderful place to increase your visibility and to draw the attention of your interviewers. Then the next tip will be never ever write this personal statement on the ERAS application, because remember, they do not have any grammatical software or they will not tell you if there is any spelling mistake. So what I did when I was doing my application, I wrote the personal statement in a separate Word document. Then I copy paste it and put it under the ERAS application. One pro tip: when you are copy pasting from your Word documents to the ERAS application, the ERAS application does not give you any signal that any word is missing. So it comes to you 100% on you to check that when you are copy pasting, not missing any words. Then the next tips will be either you are international medical graduate or US medical graduate. Regardless of the English, either it is your native language or not, always give your personal statement to at least 2 or 3 other persons so that they can overview your personal statement and give you the feedback. Sometimes as human being, our limitation is we cannot catch our errors as much as other people do. So if you have some friends, colleagues, mentors, your spouse, request them to review your personal statement and share with you that how does it sound to you, how does it sound to them, as well as do they have any recommendation or how they feel that other person will read or feel about your personal statement, which is very, very important. So I hope you found these tips valuable and you will be able to use for your personal statement. Personal statement is very important. So utilize these tips to write a wonderful personal statement to optimize the number of your interviews to ensure your matching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video and share with your friend. Please subscribe to this channel. I always make sure to create all the contents for you so that you can utilize this content for your career advancement. If you have any questions, comments, please put it under the comment section. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. See you.